We've already done a wee test to see what's under it. That's where we first tested it, to see if it was still the weatherboards. Let's go and make something. That's all the rough cast off that wall. And we didn't break the window, so that's a good start. Once we've done this bit, we're halfway there. Yeah, and you should have seen the mess here. That was bad. Back breaking to clear it, but it's all cleared now. Tomorrow, we'll be taking the weatherboards off. The old weatherboards that are probably 100 years old. Having a look to see what needs replacing. And then, take the weatherboards off. Have a look, see how bad it actually is. A bit of fiddling around to get it right, get the first couple right. We've had to cut away a board there to get it all even. There's a flashing underneath it. And then on the side, same. And this bit of rough cast here. This bit of rough cast here is actually solid. We had to actually really bash this lot to get off. So we're pretty confident that's okay. Being the basement, we're not worrying about pink bats. Not worrying about putting pink bats in or anything. Just and we've put in, you can see up there, we've put in another stud. Fix that one up, which is where that batten is there. And then tomorrow we'll just work our way up to here. And that'll be that day done. And then worry about getting that off in the next couple of weeks. And we're actually hoping we've got the calculations right. And if it's not right, it's like, we're hoping it all lines up when it comes to that corner there. So, we've gone up to there. And the same on the side. We've actually got eyes pretty level between the two. We are a little bit out up here, just a fraction. But I'm not worried about it. We had to adjust it to get different levels down here, which adjusted some measurements. But other than that, pretty happy. And next week is probably going to do, well, which will take longer due to the fact we've got to use the scaffolding. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter,
and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time.
Don't forget to go and make something.